Hi, welcome back to the Not Only Carrots cooking show. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm Ben and Leah's behind the camera this time, so she gets to do all my stuff. But today we're going to teach you how to get the best value out of your SodaStream. It's been a pet peeve of mine that these little 400 gram bottles exist and you have to pay $20 for them in Australia, which is probably 5 cents in America, but whatever. Instead of paying stupid money for this, I decided this was a better idea. So instead of 400 grams, this is 600 grams. Now, the problem is getting it connected from there to there. And thankfully, eBay to the rescue, we have this. So if you search eBay for SodaStream connector, I can't remember exactly. I'll leave a link in the description below, but basically it's just a hose that connects from here to here. And the difference in price is this costs $56 to refill for 6 kilos, and this costs $20 to refill for 400 grams. So you can do the maths on that. That's a big difference. Okay, it's about 10 times or whatever, something there. Anyway, very simple. If you look in here, you've got a little screw connector here, and it just goes straight in there. And then, Leah, can you just hang on to that? You just do that up there. Well, it doesn't seem quite right, but it is, yeah. There's the thing, and a little shifter, or an adjustable wrench to the Americans. Okay, and then you just feed that through there, which is pretty simple. And what I usually do, because this is our second SodaStream we use a lot, this will last us about 6 months, so you just crack a little bit off here. Don't expect to get a warranty after this, so if you break it, it's your problem, not mine. Thanks. Just crack a little bit for the hose to come out. And there it is. Chuck the back on. Righto. So there's that part. And then the easy part, do it on here. Now the thing you have to be really careful about is make sure you tighten it up properly, because otherwise you'll lose all your gas. And even though it's only $58 to refill this, it's $58. Okay, so do that up nice and tight. Turn on the gas, and voila. Let's test it out. Yeah, it's certainly bubbly enough. It doesn't have the same sound as the old ones. We just got this new one. We're waiting for the big popping sound, but I think that's it. But anyway, there it is. Bubbly water for 1/10 of the price. Pretty simple way to save a lot of money in the long term if you're like us and like a lot of carbonated beverages. That's our SodaStream hack. I hope you liked it. Like it if you liked it, dislike it if you're a SodaStream rep, and share it with a friend before it gets banned from YouTube. And you will see my lovely wife in the next video. Bye! Oh, also there's an impression I can do. It's a snake. Okay, that's why I'm behind the camera. See you next time.